Alright, so what's going on YouTube? As you can see for the title of the video, I'm the first ever person to throw on Talaria wheels on a Surron. So let me go ahead and show you guys the 3 components that I needed in order to make these wheels fit. Alright, so as you can see, 19-inch wheel in the front, says for Talaria, and I have the 17-inch rear wheel that's also meant for Talaria. So the 3 components that I needed to make this build work, as you can see, this obvious thing in this obvious rear axle sticking out. I needed a Talaria rear axle, I needed Surron spacers, and I needed a 220mm Talaria rotor because I'm rocking this prickly adapter that basically makes you so you can rock 220mm rotors. So yeah, those are the 3 components that I needed. I basically did this just because I didn't want to keep on wasting the life of the tires on my EXO rims. And these tires that I had on my Talaria are great. They're for on and off the road, and I don't use my Talaria as much. I have been posting it for sale. If you guys are interested, check send me a message or something, make it, we can work something out. But yeah, I'm selling the Talaria, and in the meantime I'm not using it, so I said, you know, why not, let's see if these wheels fit. I tried searching up on YouTube, I tried on the internet, nothing popped out. So I said, you know what, let's try to Frankenstein this, and thankfully it worked. So yeah, I'm super happy with this, super stoked. Now I'm just gonna get some GoPro footage of me out here riding. All right, so what's going on YouTube? I'm on the GoPro now. So yeah, I got the Talaria wheels front and back. I got the Talaria wheels on the Surron. They drive fine, brakes work, stops me on a dime, they drag, they lock up the rear tires. So yeah, I just want to get and show you guys that these tires work, and let's shoot a video on these, let's have some fun. Oh, it's super windy. Super windy out here, it's throwing me sideways. You can see as the ponchos are going to the right. See what this person's gonna do. Come on, what are you doing? I'm gonna be trying to ride around here because yeah, I mean, cops kind of get mad when I'm out riding on the street. Yeah, these things are great, dude. They feel phenomenal. I'm on the dirt, on the grass, and I can just jump off and go to the street just like that without having to feel like I'm driving on high heels, That's how the EXOs feel. So yeah. I'm sorry for the wind, guys. I'm gonna try to throw in some music in there, try to reduce the wind noise. That way it makes it a little bit less annoying, you know what I mean? So let's get to it. We're on this nice little flat surface, and let's see if I can get some good wheelies in. Let's wait for these cars to go by, and we'll throw some of those wheelies in here. Let me loosen this up real quick. It's because it's digging into my palm. Okay, just turning left. We're good. Oh, this wind is so annoying. Ah, this wind! God damn it, bro. This wind is throwing me to the left, and to the right is just throwing me back and forth. Especially because this bike is so light. I just love how it handles now, though. It feels super smooth. Especially with these tires, dude. These trial tires and this Golden Bull tire in the back, they work great. Let's see if we can pop a wheelie going here. It might say no trespassing, but it's a nice little flat area. Oh, fuck that, dude. I was about to flip. Not through traffic. I mean, they lock up the rear tire. Nice and smooth. Woo! Almost looped it there. Fuck. Yeah, dude. This wind is so annoying. Throwing me around everywhere. These bikes are too light for this. Let me just make sure I'm recording. I'm recording. Oof. Wind's starting to go down a little bit. Let's make sure there's not a cop and we'll continue. Alright, you ready? I'm telling you, dude, it throws me. Oh my lord. So annoying. But yeah, I mean, I'm doing wheelies at 20-something miles an hour. Oh, 30-something should I say. Let's go back over here. Yeah, cops don't really like me out here, so. They're trying not to get too much attention. Like security guards. Not sure if that's the same guy from last time. Hey, teasing him. Don't know if it's the same guy. I wonder. Let's try. We should do some of these jump shoots. Try these tires out on the grass. I haven't tested them too much. I've just been on the pavement more than anything. Just because, like I said, you can't really. It feels so nice. I don't gotta worry about turning. Look, with the other tires, I would just flip. If I would smash the throttle on those turns, the rear tire would just try to spin out on me. Oh, we should try the sidewalk right now. So yeah, let's try these. Let's try over here. I gotta be careful, you can all slip. Oh! Woo! Let's see if I can do a little circle. Oh, that's a cop. Let's keep it nice and slow. Nice and steady wins the race. Let's hope he doesn't come back. Oh, please don't come back. Please don't. I mean, it'll make a good clip for the video, but it'll get me in trouble. So yeah, look. Just lock it up and let's see if we can spin it. Every time it was spinning. We'll just go over there and stay on the grass in case this cop actually cares. Let's see. No, it doesn't seem to. He would have came back already. Let's just stay over here for a little bit. You know what I mean? So yeah. Oh god, dude, I love these tires. I miss them so much. Like I said, they were on my Talaria, but I just don't ride my Talaria as much. I don't know why. I prefer this 100 times more. So yeah, let's just stay over here for a little bit. As you guys seen in another video, I love this spot, dude. I love doing wheelies, pulling up in wheelies. This is a great spot to learn, practice, and just have some fun, you know? So let's get back to doing that. I'll try to pull up in a wheelie again. Like someone ordered Domino's. Let's see. No cars? I love love that, dude. Woo. Especially because I got these brand new prickly rotors. Oh, dude, they feel so nice. They grab so quick. Super nice. Ah, bumpy. Oh, that was sketchy. See if we can go over these hills. They slip a little bit, but they grab almost 90% of the time. That other 10% slips just a tad. Just enough for it to be fun, you know what I mean? Ah, this suspension, I love it. Those people are doing. I wonder, oh, what a wonderful world. We got a couple fellow people out here, probably gonna practice doing baseball or something. Woo! It's so smooth going over that hill now. Before, with those extra wheels, I would jump just a little bit, like, you know, noticeable difference. Little, it might seem a little bit to me, but it's quite a lot. I would jump up because of the. Oh, probably gotta be over here practicing. Let's stay over here. It almost slipped under me. Oh, smoke. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh, I love sliding out here, dude. The wind. What the hell was that? Let's check it. Feels like my rear tire's a little loose, which is odd. So let's check it out. It's still on there. Pretty brand new tires too. I mean, look at that. Just enough cushion to be able to do wheelies and let it grip on the floor. Oh my god, the wind. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching the YouTube video. If you guys could like and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. And on to the next one. Deuce.